Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller with Epic Games' GTA 5. First, connect your controller to your PC. You can use a USB cable for a direct connection or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Make sure your computer's Bluetooth is turned on if you choose the wireless route. We will explore two primary methods to get your controller working seamlessly, starting with Steam's built-in features. The easiest method involves Steam. Open Steam, then navigate to the bottom left and select Add a non-Steam game to my library. Browse and add the Epic Games Launcher executable. Next, right-click the Epic Games Launcher in your Steam library, go to Properties, then Controller, and ensure Enable Steam Input is selected. Finally, launch the Epic Games Launcher from Steam's Big Picture mode, then start GTA 5. If the Steam method doesn't work, or you prefer an alternative, DS4 Windows is an excellent tool. Download and install DS4 Windows from its official website. During setup, you will be prompted to install the VI GM bus driver, which is crucial for creating a virtual Xbox controller. Once installed, create a new profile, select Gamepad and DualShock 4 as the output controller, and keep DS4 Windows running in the background while you play. To avoid common issues like double input, especially when using DS4 Windows, install HidHide to conceal your physical controller from games. If you are using DS4 Windows, make sure Steam is completely closed, including from your system tray, to prevent conflicts. Both Steam Input and DS4 Windows allow extensive customization of button layouts and sensitivity. Experiment with these settings to find what feels most comfortable for your Grand Theft Auto 5 gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.